Hi guys, good day, welcome back to my channel RHCES tool and rhcengineering. And for today's tutorial I will be showing to you how to automate and generate the Pier and Spandrel labels in ETABS, how to automate assigning the labels to the wall elements. And also there's another function of this tool is to combine the Pier of the selected two wall element. And without further ado, let's open the tool. So as you can see, this is the version 5 0.0.5. so just select the plugin tabs, and under the ETABS we have here the wall Pier and Spandrel option. Just click this one and it will show this interface. As you can see, we have here two type of label. We have here the Pier and the Spandrel. And as you can see, once we selected the Pier, the bottom here is changing. Is changed depending on the specific type of the label. If it is Pier, it is for the Pier, and if it is Spandrel, of course, it's for the Spandrel. Now let's try first the Pier label assignment. And before that, you need to select to the ETABS model, which is have already opened, and you need to click the refresh only if there are multiple ETABS which are already open. And for this example, we have model 3, and I need to connect it first to the ETABS. Then as you can see in the status, it's already connected. Once already connected, we have here on the left side, we have here an options. It's either to generate the labels, Pier labels by manual. It depends on you on how many Pier labels you want to generate. But we have also an option here is to generate from the selected element. So it depends on the selected elements, so whichever, if how many elements that you are selected, so it will generate corresponding to the number of the selected element. Okay, so I will select the wall first, all walls, and I will show the assignment of the Pier and Spandrel. So as you can see here is the walls are not yet assigned by Pier or Spandrel. So the first thing we need to do is to select the the wall element. So for the example, I will select all the wall elements, and I will click this generate from selection, and boom, it's just a millisecond. I think, yes, it's 616 wall Piers. So it's already generated. It's very easy and very fast. Once generated, so we have here an options. We need to refresh the selection, so meaning to show here the selected element. So when we refresh that, this is the element name, and in the right side is the Pier label. So we generated 616 Pier labels. Once selected, so we have here an option merge combine, so we will discuss this later. And of course the refresh selection, if you selected another element like this, when I refresh that, so it's just 4 elements. Okay, and I will refresh again. This is the selected elements, so meaning all elements. So also we have here an option, a button to show the existing labels. As you can see here, if you have already a Pier and Spandrel labels here, so you can see here, but as of now this is the default one, the P1 and this one for the Piers and Spandrel course respectively. For example, if you have already here, let's define another Pier, then I will close again and show the existing. So we can see the P2 which we defined earlier. So you can delete this one automatically from here without going to the ETABS, or you can delete it all the existing pairs and provide only or remain only the P1, the default pair name, which is the P1 and the S1. So for the example, I will delete the P2 and okay. Then let's go to pair labels. As you can see, it's already deleted in the ETABS model. Okay, now this one, let's show the example later, because as of now we haven't applied pairs or spandrel labels in the wall elements though. And I will select the elements, the wall elements, and I will click the export pair labels and selected walls. Now for the meantime, I will select it first for pair, because it's up to you. Actually it's up to you if you will select only for those pairs and you did not select, or you will not select the spandrel elements. But for my example, I will select all the elements first, and I will click this one and Beulah. So the 615 pairs pair labels already assigned for all. Then you need just to update the viewing or the 3D view. Just move it and it will be shown here in the model. So I will increase the size and Beulah. It's very fast. But the problem here, actually it's not a problem, so it depends on the user. So as you can see here, it will be assigned each element. So this is the use of these merge and combine labels buttons. So for example, with these elements in this label, so I want to merge this one and assign only one pair label. So once you already selected the elements that you want to combine the labels, you select merge and combine labels, and as you can see here, you can see that there are 9 element unique pair labels under the pair, and you need to select what pair name or pair label you want to apply for all the elements, selected elements. For example, I will be using P67. Then I will click the OK and Beulah. It's already selected and assigned to all 9 elements. It's very easy. Okay, now if you want to remove the label from the selected element, just select this one and click this one, remove labels from wall. So we will set on or assign it as a none label. Pair or spandrel label is the same. Then click OK and yes, Beulah. So it's already removed the labels. It's the same function with the spandrel. So the only difference is it's assigned as spandrel and the label. And for the labels, for example, this one, I need to these elements, I need to separate, to assign it as a spandrel. So I just need to remove first the labels, the assigned labels, and I need to select again, and I will go here in the spandrel and generate from selection, and I need to refresh the selection and assign the spandrel and move it. As you can see, it's already assigned, and when we right click, it's already spandrel. Okay, and for the labels, pair labels, is already pair. So it's very easy and very useful, especially if you have structure that contains more walls, and for the high rise values that you have a core walls or share wall. And that's it, guys. This is the major update for the version 0.0.5 for our RHCES tools. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, rhcetools and rhcengineering, and also I have a page FB page, rhcengineering and rhcepedaengineering services. And also don't forget to visit my website rhcetools for free web tools and for blogs. And to download these tools also, of course, just visit rhcepedaengineeringservices.com, and you have a 1 month free trial. And even for example, you already expired, I can extend it as long as I'm not finalize this version of rhcetools. That's all. Thank you, and see you next tutorial. Thank you. God bless.